First time nga po
Baby!
Si Kanyo may na. Kaya tayo Hello. Yeah. Happy Father's Day. Kaya ka. Masaya ako. Diyan wala ka manobra kining bali. Kuli nga kaya geda na ka. Wish ko sana na kaya kakita kang masakit. Malulungkot ko. Kalo po na mo. Kumayapin. Kaya kang masakit. Yan tayo, miyara pang kataking lamesa. Na naman yung daramdaman mo, sasabi mo ka na ako. Feel ko kayong sarili ko. Masaya ako, uling para tinda kang hakayabe. Yan tayo, diyang masagit ka mambitis. Uling muri mo, makapagobra ka. Isip mo yung ganang nanon kayong kabiyayan tao. Diyang neng kaya la na ang obra, kaya kami papatudtud. Neng kaya silipan da ka, nanong gagawan mo neng kaya, matutud ka, neng kaya kami patudtud. Neng kaya ting mouse, kaya ka, pero maging masaya ko, diyang rugong magkano mo, adidinan mo ko. Dakala salamat Diyos. Wish ko king ating Gino na humaba ka pa biye. Kaya beda ka pang manuat hanggang king mabiya ko buri ko kaya beda ka. Diyang neng kay asusopan mo ko. neng kay nakarakal pinggan. Asusopan mo kung manos pinggan. Neng kami pagtampo ka ta. Pero masaya ako pa rin kasi at yung aking siping ko, I love you Jo, Happy Father's Day. Kaya ka sana kumaba yung biye mo at bila ko ay ngay ganang-ganang kapanandaman ito yung wish ko para kaya ka. At wish ko pa, metong pa. Puri ko tumod na kaloto. Bantay hanggang pangarap mo, akwa mo. Balo ko na yung pangarap mo. Hindi nga po mo, asopan mo lang, o hindi nga nakakarapat. Medyo, ito yung pangarap mo eh. Wish ko na tumuda ka loto. Love you. Love you very much kaya ka, Jo. Palagi kang mimingat. Gustong kain ng kain. Mama ko ka, malagad. Sige, love you, Jo. Love you very much. God bless you always. Wow.
Tayo ay matanda na,
Sana'y di
tayo magbago.
kailanman ay namin
Nasaan
ay pangarap ko. Kamu pa kaya kami
hanggang pagtanda
natin.
nagdaan
Lang sa Diyos
ako mayay
ibigin mo.
mabuti ng araw ang iyong
buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangarap marang sa atin. Nakalipas ay babalik natin.
Papaalala ko
Sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kamuti na ang buhok mo. Nakalipas ay babalik natin. Paalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako. Ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Maputi ang buhok ko. Love you, Ray. Love you very much. Bye-bye. Happy Father's Day, Tang. Thank you lagi kayong support kaya kami, lalo na ka-Ren Kids. I love you. Mwah.
Happy Father's Day, Tang. Salamat po ganyan talaga ng sao lugod at pamantabing pagkalibid po kaya kami nga nagkakapatid nga nakareng apumigi nga po sa dakal pang anting maaniningal do yung dasan mo. I love you, Tang. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Lolo Ray. Thank you for all the love, care, and sacrifice for all of us. I love you po. Hi, Lo. I'm back again. Lo, magkanta ko. Pero, emukal yan. Bal mo naman, sintonado ako singer. The morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sign of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together, 'cause I will be here.
Happy Father's Day, Lo. Thank you po kay Gana-Gana, kay pagsuportahan niyo kaya kami, and for making our life comfortable. I love you, Lo. Happy Father's Day.
Lolo, naaalala mo pa ba? Noong ako ay bata pa, diba? Ang aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo ako'y tatayo, pangako lolo ko. Dahil ikaw ang aking paa sa tuwing ako'y kakapa ng dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tanong pahinga muna. Ako nang bahala, bisbas sa labis sa'yo nagawa, lolo. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara-lata, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara-lata. Happy Father's Day, Lo!
Happy Father's Day, Lolo. Thank you sa pagmamahal sa amin. Thank you sa barya, lalo na sa si Pimpin. Love you, Ma. Tonight, there's no ever go. Did you push my life aside? Out of my life to you.
Galing nila. Very good, baby.
Happy Father's Day, Lo. Wishing you all the best. Stay strong, stay happy, stay healthy. We love you always. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me. Near around till I fell asleep. Then up the stair he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. That I could live another chance, another walk, another dance with him. I play a song that would never end. Would love, love, love. Dance with my father again.
Day, Lore, I hope you stay happy and healthy as well. Love you, Lore, and be happy.
Happy Father's Day, Lore. Stay healthy and stay happy.
I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind.
afternoon, and happy Father's Day to our dearest father. We love you as much as you love us. You cared for us, you supported us, and gave us food and a place to call home. We appreciate the hard work you have done for us, and we apologize for the mistake we had, and we are happy to see you live long.
This is for you. Happy Father's Day. We love you. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. That's now I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. With new horizons to pursue, I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
Hello, Lolo Ray. This is from Tropang Makulit Gang. Happy Father's Day po. Thank you po, King Unconditional Love. Abinaya mo po kaya kami may pipinsan. Lalo na po ing hard work kagagawan nyo. Banta misadsad kami po, King Aldoldo. Pasalamat kami po, King Egana-gana. Diyan lang kasakit minsan. Pipilit nyo pa rin po. Kahit na minsan ano ang kasakit daramdaman. Kayod pa rin para sa future namin magkakapatid. Kaya po thankful kami na maging ika po yung lolo mi, ika yung maging ming role model, ika rin po yung maging hero mi. Kaya po dakal na dakal pong salamat King Unconditional Love, and lugod yo po lagi kaya kami natuturuyo na nano po dapat intama ang pong muli. Dakal salamat po ulit Pasibayo. We love you so much po, and happy Father's Day ulit again.
You to show me what's real, and there's more to life.